Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create an outdoor adventure gear website shop using Shopify. So first, be sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go over here on the left to products. We're going to click on add product and now we're going to start filling on the blanks with our product's information. For example, I'm going to start with my multi-tool knife. Oh, sorry, I'm going to put knife and there you go. And here I'm going to copy my title, and for the description I'm going to click on generate text. We are going to paste our title over here and we're going to click on generate. This way Shopify is going to use its built-in AI to create a description for us, and here we can either choose to generate the description again or just click here to keep the one we already have. For media, we're going to click on upload new and we're going to select an image for our product. On our right, we're going to have a product type, vendor, collection, and tags section. For collection, make sure you add your product to your home page. And here for tags, you can put whichever one you would like. For example, I'm just going to put the let's just adventure gear, for example. There you go. Now, below our image, we're going to have a category section right over here. Now, usually Shopify is going to choose a category for us, and it's almost always going to be correct. As you can see here, this one is correct, but if we click over here, we can change it if we so want it. For the pricing, let's say that we're going to charge around 50,000 pesos for this, and our cost per item is going to be around 30,000 pesos. This is going to leave us with a 20,000 pesos profit at a 40% margin of profit. For inventory, we're just going to uncheck this because we are not going to keep track of it. And here we also have a weight section to assign weight to our product in case we're going to do any kind of shipping. So once we are done customizing our product, we are going to go over here on the bottom right and we're going to click on save. This way we would have our first product ready to post on our online store. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go here on add product again, and I'm going to keep uploading all of the products that I want on my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm done. So as you can see guys, here I have added a bunch of new products. For example, my portable stove, my Stanley thermal bottle, and my adventure backpack. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go to my online store, and here, once it's there you go, I'm going to start to customize it. The first thing that we're going to be able to change, it's going to be its theme. If we go down, you can see that we're going to have a bunch of different free themes to use, and if we click over here on visit theme shop, we're going to be redirected to the Shopify theme store, where we're going to be able to shop for a bunch of different themes. Here we're going to be able to see a lot of new themes for us to use, but for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So back over here, we're going to click on customize, and here we're going to be able to start customizing our website. For example, I'm going to click on this section, and as you can see, it's going to be outlined by this blue line, and here on the top left, the name of the section is going to be displayed. On our right, we're going to have a bunch of different options to customize our section. For example, this is our image banner, and if I click here on select, we are going to click on add images, and now we are going to be able to select an image to be displayed as our banner. Once this is done processing, I'm going to click on done, and there you go. And as you can see here, the image is going to change. Next, I'm going to click on our heading over here, and I'm going to change the text to, for example, welcome to my adventure gear shop website. There you go. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here on the left to template, and we're going to click on add a section. Here we're going to have a bunch of different options, for example, featured collection, featured product, collection list, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product, and here on the right I'm going to click on select. Here I'm going to choose one of my products to be displayed. For example, I'm going to choose my adventure backpack. There you go. Now let's say that we want to change the section a little bit. For example, we're going to change the color scheme and we're going to put a nice dark theme right over here. Another thing that can happen is that we have added a new section by mistake, for example, this featured collection, and we want to delete it. what we're going to do is make sure we have the section we want to delete selected, and once it's selected, we're going to go over here on the bottom right and we're going to click on remove section. This way the section is going to be completely removed. We can also add sections to our footer. Over here you can see that we can add an email sign up and a custom liquid, and the same goes for our header. You can see over here we can also add a custom liquid and we can add an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header is going to be that over here where it says my store, our store's name is going to be displayed. So in order to change it, what we're going to do is we're going to save our changes, we're going to exit, we're going to go to the home page of Shopify, here on name your store, name store, and now we are going to be able to change our store's name. For example, I'm going to put adventure gear and I'm going to save my changes. Now, in order to make sure that everything is correct, we're going to go back to our online store, and here instead of customize, we're going to click on the three dots and we're going to click on preview. This is going to lead us to our website, and as you can see here on the header, the name of the store is now changed. We can scroll down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want, and once we are done customizing and checking out our website, we're going to go back over here in order to go over the analytics and marketing section. And next we're going to go over here to the analytics section. Now this is going to be a really important section for us guys, because here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and many different things, such as for example which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, among many other things and information, which is going to really help us manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section here. If we go to discount, I'm going to click on add discount. We are going to choose an amount of products, and here we're going to be able to customize our own discount for our online store. For example, here we can choose the code. Let's say I'm going to put code 101, or we can just click over here and a Shopify is going to provide us a random code for us. Below it we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be, either a fixed amount or a percentage amount. I'm going to choose a percentage, and let's say we're going to have a 10% discount. Below it, we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. For example, we are going to click on browse, and I'm going to choose the products of my homepage collection. If we keep going down, you can see that we have more options to further customize our discounts, such as if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and lastly here, if we click on set end date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 29th, and here I'm going to click save discount. Now we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.